Hey guys, do this with Peppa toy
It's a surprise.
for Julia.
Woo! First one.
And cute one. And bigger one.
It's a hairbrush. Look. Oh, carefully. You happy?
Yeah, the Papa. Brushing hair.
Yes, brush your hair.
Brush her hair. Yeah, it's Papa.
Mm-hmm.
And free. Free.
Let's see.
Hey.
That's a hat.
For Pop. Josie Zebra.
Are you sure it's for Zoe Zebra? Let's see. Next one. Look, there's one more here. Go. Can you manage? Go. Give it to mommy so I can open it for you. That's a treasure. You have one more. You have one more.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can do it.
No. No.
You have one more here, look. That's a big one. And you have one more here. You have two. Look. Put this back. Look here. Look. Give this to mommy. Here you have some stickers.
For
Let's see. Open the bag.
It's a Susie.
It's Susie sheep. Wow! Show to mommy. Can you manage?
Yeah.
Wow! She has a beautiful dress. A sparkling dress. Show to mommy.
Happy birthday.
Wow! She looks lovely. You need some help. Do you want to give to mommy?
Happy birthday for my Susie sheep.
She looks lovely. Really, really lovely with this sparkling dress.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday for Susie. Happy birthday to you.
Good girl. And you have one more over here. Look, there's one more.
It's a present.
It's a present. Give to mommy so I can open the bag.
Peppa Pig.
It's something very nice. The
Baka rabbit.
yes, you can make Susie rabbit. You can put it on the head. It's a headband. Do you want mommy to help you?
No. Bye bye guys. Thumbs up.